Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue with sticky notes on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads that were unable to add the requested image. Error code 0x80131577. It was unable to add the requested image. Let's fix that problem, guys. For that you just need to go to search menu and type sticky sticky notes. Right click on it, select app settings, scroll down guys, reset option is here. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't it be affected. Click on repair guys. And we can also try to reset it guys. If this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Click on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign in details. Select reset. After finishing this, close out of here and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.